Rubber tiles are a DIY dream when it comes to installing flooring in a home gym. Rubber tiles are perfect for small spaces or oddly shaped areas since they're easy to cut to fit the shape of a room. You can install them practically anywhere. First, let's look at what thickness you might want for your space. 1/4 inch to 8mm tiles are typically used for home gyms, or 1-inch tiles if you're installing over plush carpet. 3/8 of an inch to 1-inch tiles are typically used for commercial gyms or when heavy lifting is in the routine. Next, let's look at 3 types of rubber tiles: non-vulcanized, vulcanized, and virgin. Non-vulcanized tiles are the most common and also the least expensive. Because they are less dense, they are great tiles for high-impact exercises. Vulcanized tiles are perfect for heavy weights. Since they are more dense, they can easily absorb the shock of a dropped weight. Plus, they're non-porous, which means they clean and sanitize easily. Virgin rubber tiles are the most expensive tiles. They come in many colors and are just as durable as our recycled vulcanized tiles. These tiles are also very easy to keep clean and sanitized and are great for areas where heavy weights will be dropped. Looking for eco-friendly rubber? Our non-vulcanized and recycled vulcanized tiles are made from recycled rubber tires, so as an added bonus, they're eco-friendly. It's a win-win for you and the environment. Now that you know everything about rubber tiles, your perfect home gym is only a click away.